To insert SIM card into Xiaomi 17T, we need to take a look at the bottom side of the phone, because over here we can find the SIM tray, and this is where we need to insert our SIM card. Now in order to eject the SIM tray, we need to use eject tool, which you should be able to find inside the box. And once you have yours, you should be able to put it into this tiny SIM tray hole that we have in here on the SIM tray. And then once you put it in, you want to apply a little bit of pressure and push it into the phone to make the SIM tray slightly pop out. Once it pops out, you want to use your fingernails or fingers and then remove the SIM tray completely from the phone. And there we go, this is how it looks like. In my case, I have SIM 1 and SIM 2 on the other side. So as you can see, we can insert two SIMs. And we just need to match the shape of the SIM card slot. So as you can see here, we have this cut part of the SIM, so we're just gonna match it and just put it into its slot. It goes in very easily. You might also hear a little click. This is of course pretty much the confirmation that you have successfully inserted your SIM. So make sure that it is fully in and it does not stick out. Now once you insert your SIMs, or just one SIM card of course, then you should be able to put the SIM tray back into the phone and just slide it all the way in into the phone and make sure that it does not stick out. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.